Welcome to this video guide of the iNELS application for smart TVs from the Samsung brand. Today we'll focus on the description and demonstration of the installation and configuration of a smart home via the TV remote control. Before introducing the application, let us return to the topology of the whole home automation solution. iNELS bus or iNELS RF electro installation must always be equipped with a central point aggregating all exported data represented by connection server or ELAN RF003. It establishes connection with the central unit via the computer network, which routes commands and feedback to the smart TV application. Every Samsung TV running on the Tizen operating system from version 2.3 is fully compatible with iNELS. These are model series from 2015 and newer. You can find a complete list of them in the installation manual for the application. Now, let's look at a really simple installation procedure. Keep your TV connected to the internet and go to the App Market where you type the word iNELS or ELKO EP in the search field. Then you should discover the icon of our application. Click on it, and the detail of the installable application will be displayed. And click on the installation button. We are now looking at the installed iNELS application for smart TVs. Its concept is based on controlling the elements displayed on the tiles via the remote control or keyboard, using the left or right arrows, and confirming the selection or returning. In the default installation, the iNELS logo will appear in the background of the application, which you can later replace with another image or TV broadcast. Let's go through each tile before we get to the application configuration. The red tile shows a selection of all available rooms, which can be entered with a simple click. To do this, you must first download the data from the connection server or ELAN. The green tile combines the list of scenes pre-programmed on ELAN RF003. The user can easily select a scene and click on it. The yellow tile displays the video stream or stored IP cameras through a pop-up window. The blue tile shows the current weather forecast for the selected location. It is an online service that downloads data on current and sensory temperature, humidity, wind speed, and air pressure. And the last gray tile allows the user to enter the application settings and configure the connection to the connection server or ELAN, IP cameras, weather forecast site, connection to the RFPM2M, PIP activation, and insert or delete a background image. Let's stop at the master settings tile and perform the initial configuration, establishing a connection with the connection server or ELAN RF003. And confirm the configuration by pressing the Save button. After successfully loading the data, we will move to the list of rooms and select the first one. Each room contains elements that can be controlled via a mobile or tablet application. Depending on the type of element, it is either possible to control the device or only read its status. Selected types of elements are offered by pop-up windows with settings of parameters such as light intensity or on-off switching. The same goes for switchable elements, whether they are appliances, lights, or scenes. Within the application, it is possible to control shading technology, such as blinds. The user does not have to configure anything, and everything is ready to use. A key element can be the control of heating and cooling via a pop-up window next to the appropriate icon. The heating or cooling circuit offers the possibility to change the mode, the selected program, and the schedule mode. The user can also appreciate the ability to read current values from various sensors through tiles. This can be, for example, temperature, humidity, brightness, or the presence of a person. Now, let's take a look at the smart wireless installation controls. Don't forget to fill in the login details. The room display is identical to the previous configuration and also offers control and reading of device statuses. Control of individual elements is again easy, and thanks to the TV controller, it is possible to turn appliances on or off, change the level of dimmer settings, RF-ATV1 head settings, meaning temperature and sensitivity to changes, and read the status of motion or magnetic sensors. That's not all, because even the wireless installation provides access to control of the blinds or mixing of the colors of the RGB LED strip using simple sliders. Going back, it is possible to load saved scenes from ELAN RF003, which can be activated or deactivated by simply pressing a button. It is also possible to add a video stream from an IP camera to both types of installations, which the integrator must configure under the last tile called Cameras. There are a total of 3 options where it is possible to either choose a predefined template for Axis or D-Link, or in the case of another brand of camera, the integrator must insert the appropriate link to the MJPEG stream transmitting the image in the form of snapshots. The last interesting feature is the display of the background image of the application, which you can upload via USB drive easily to the TV. The background of the application can also run TV broadcasts or any video played from DVD, Blu-ray, or remotely via Miracast. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got a lot out of it. And we'll see you next time in the next video.